What is the Ombudsman?
Ombudsman? What is the Ombudsman office?
What is the Ombudsman?
What are the Ombudsman services? The Ombudsman is a neutral intermediary who is responsible for ensuring that all of our constituents have their concerns resolved. You are important to us.
What does the Office of the Ombudsman do? The Office of the Ombudsman receives complaints and concerns from parents, guardians, educators, and other community members about our schools or the school system. We work in collaboration with principals and supervisors to help parents, guardians, and others to resolve their concerns. We also go to schools and out into the community to educate people about the services of the Office of the Ombudsman. We go there to see how we might help.
How does the Office of the Ombudsman serve constituents? Our office serves as a neutral party in connecting families with school system staff to help in resolving concerns. As a neutral party, we listen to both families and school system staff without taking sides, but ensuring that the resolution meets policies and procedures of Prince George's County Public Schools. Families can submit concerns to our office either through our website, by visiting our office, or by contacting us at 301-808-8315.
Who does the Office of the Ombudsman serve? You, our constituents, students, parents, employees, and residents of Prince George's County as it relates to our schools. Anyone can contact the Office of the Ombudsman.